I bring the noise. Me and all my boys, we get that play and I ain't talking toys. I ain't walking cause I joyride, jocking, popping any little model that might tell me that I make 'em moist. You gotta make a choice, they can't take my voice. I be that dude from Carolina, y'all can't break my poise. Steady looking foolish like y'all still be rocking corduroys. They said I got my weight up, I've been eating beats like steroids. Getting bitches late at night, you watching Conan and reruns of that Roseanne. You got something, throw in, I broke in, a Trojan. My flow cold, you frozen. Compositions making y'all baroque, but no Sebastian Johann. Eating good is my slogan, those clothes you got was stolen. I hit her once, she broke in, that backbreaker Hulk Hogan. Got an open door policy for omens, song is spoken and I'm spitting for Carolina till my fucking lungs are swollen.
We have come this far, we got a long way to go. Baby, if you were here with me, whenever we blow, you can have anything. This isn't just anything. I need you to be my queen.
Oh shit.